But let's get out to our reporters now for a closer look at some of the movers today. I'm going to start it off with Yoon in Seoul. June?
Thank you, Susan. The Korean markets are opening higher today, but what's in the focus is the Korean won this morning. The won dollar is showing continued steep gains because of the strong dollar. The won is at the weakest level against the U.S. dollar in more than 2 years right now. It is weaker again today as well, opening at 11.56 won per U.S. dollar this morning. Some FX traders are seeing the won go into the 2000 won level before year-end. So this trend is expected to continue according to FX traders. And how it actually affects the equity markets. Overall, analysts are seeing this to be a positive for export names. So a bunch of the blue chips on the Kospi are expected to benefit from this. Tech names, auto names, of course, but also we do have a new theme with the week one, the cosmetics names now. So cosmetics until now weren't really, they didn't really move with the FX markets, but because of the percentage of revenues that they now get from their exports, they are seen to benefit from the week one. So Amori G, the holdings company of Amori Pacific, was up more than 5% yesterday. It is higher this morning at the open as well. So we are seeing this already moving markets. And also on the other side, we do have autos down this morning. Even despite the weak won, the second quarter earnings for these names are expected to come in below market expectations. Hyundai Motors, again, analyst reports are downgrading their target price on this name. So we are seeing Kia Motors opening down. Hyundai Motors actually up now, up 1.2%. Also, let's check in on OCI, the solar power company that I just mentioned before the market. It is opening up more than 2% on news that it will be selling its U.S.-based OCI Chemicals Corporation to Istanbul-based the Sinner Group, an energy company, for $429 million to improve their financial situation. This is being seen as a positive, and the stock is opening up strong this morning, much higher than its peers in its sector. Overall, taking a look at the sectors, we are seeing a strength for the chemical names and the brokerage names, especially the chem names. They are up more than 2% as a sector. We are seeing the best performer out of this name to be LG Chem this morning, up 6.4%, continuing its gains from earlier this week after their earnings came out much above market expectations. So we are seeing continued gains for LG Chem, beating its peers by a big measure this morning. Let's check on the Korean markets at the open. Matt, over to you.
Thanks very much, June. We've got a gain for the Australian market, up by almost 0.2% early on, gain on